Hello everyone, welcome back to TPM Learning Series. Today we will be talking about Product Definition Policy in TPM Overview. In Salesforce Consumer Goods Cloud TPM, the Product Definition Policy controls how products are associated with promotions. It determines whether the product list remains fixed after the promotion is created, or whether it updates dynamically when assortments change. Two primary modes exist, static and dynamic. Why Product Definition Policy matters. In real-world environments, product portfolios evolve constantly. New SKUs are launched, assortments change, and product availability varies across customers. Promotion planning must therefore balance flexibility with financial stability. The Product Definition Policy ensures this balance. Where Product Definition Policy is configured, the Product Definition Policy is configured within promotion templates. Whenever a planner creates a promotion using a template, the configured policy automatically determines how products behave. Static Product Definition Policy concept. In the static policy, the promotion product list becomes fixed at the time of promotion creation. Even if assortments or product hierarchies change later, the promotion product list remains unchanged. Static policy example. Imagine a promotion created with 5 products. If a 6th product is later added to the assortment, the promotion will still only contain the original 5 products. This ensures consistent financial calculations. Benefits of static product policy. Static policy offers predictable financial calculations. It prevents unexpected changes to the promotion scope and ensures accurate P&L calculations. Dynamic Product Definition Policy concept. In the dynamic policy, the product list automatically updates when assortments or hierarchy structures change. This allows promotions to adapt to evolving product portfolios. Dynamic policy example. For example, a promotion configured using a beverage assortment may automatically include newly introduced SKUs if they are added to the assortment. Advantages of dynamic policy. Dynamic policies reduce manual maintenance. They automatically reflect product availability changes and ensure promotions remain aligned with assortments. Risks of dynamic product policy. However, dynamic policies can introduce risk. If products are added late in the planning cycle, financial forecasts may change unexpectedly. Shipment freeze logic. Overview. To mitigate this risk, TPM provides shipment freeze logic. Shipment freeze locks the product list when the shipment start date is reached. Shipment freeze example. If a promotion begins shipping in week 3 and assortments change in week 4, the promotion product list remains frozen after shipment begins. Relationship between dynamic policy and freeze. Dynamic updates occur only before shipment. Once shipment begins, the promotion enters a stable execution phase. Product selection sources. Products may be selected from several sources: customer assortments, product hierarchy levels, or manual selection. Impact on promotion planning. The selected product definition policy directly impacts forecasting accuracy and promotion planning. Impact on financial calculations. Because baseline volume and trade spend calculations depend on product selection, any change in product lists may affect promotion profitability. Configuration best practices. Organizations typically use static policies for controlled planning environments and dynamic policies when product portfolios change frequently. Implementation considerations. When implementing TPM, the product definition policy must align with assortment management and product hierarchy configuration. Example scenario. Dynamic promotion. Consider a dynamic promotion tied to an assortment. As new SKUs launch, they automatically enter the promotion until shipment freeze occurs. Key takeaways. The product definition policy controls promotion product behavior. Static ensures stability, dynamic provides flexibility, and shipment freeze ensures execution consistency. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thanks everyone.